How to make money on YouTube.
Start posting content.
Get 1,000 followers.
Have 4,000 hours of video time watched on your channel.
Then, create a Google AdSense account.
Allow YouTube to place ads in your videos,
and you're ready to start earning.
The richest golfers of all time. Number 5, Greg Norman, 300 million. Number 4, Jack Nicklaus, 320 million. Number 3, Phil Mickelson, 400 million. Arnold Palmer, 700 million. And number 1, Tiger Woods, 800 million. 5 ways to make money on TikTok. Brand deals, cross-platform promoting, TikTok coins and diamonds, your own products on TikTok, grow TikTok accounts and sell them. Watch the full video on my YouTube channel. How to go viral on TikTok without dancing. Have an interesting topic and make the first second of the video eye-catching. Use relevant hashtags so people can find your video. Post frequently and consistently. If you post 10 videos a day, you're much likely to have one of those to go viral. Facts about the super rich. The world's richest 1% of people own more wealth than the rest of humanity. The 2 best apps for making money in your sleep. Acorns Investing and Stash. These are robo-investing apps that automatically round up your spare change on every purchase you make. And they also can automatically deposit a set dollar amount into your account every single day. Well-known companies that are losing money. Uber, Lyft, Pinterest, WeWork, Peloton, Chewy. How to make money online if you're at least 13 years old. The easiest way to make money as a teenager is to buy and sell items on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace, or to sign up for Fiverr. Fiverr allows you to do odd jobs that people need help with online. The best business idea that'll make you rich. If you want to be rich and make a lot of money, you have to help people and deliver value. Right now, the best way to deliver value is to help small businesses. You can help small businesses by helping them with their marketing, helping promote their online services or their delivery options. You might not want to charge anything right now, you could help them for free. But if you help them stay in business and you help them through this hard time, when everything's over, they'll want to work with you for a long time in the future. The top 5 most valuable NBA teams. The New York Knicks, $4.6 billion. Los Angeles Lakers, $4.4 billion. Golden State Warriors, $4.3 billion. The Chicago Bulls at $3.2 billion. And the Boston Celtics at $3.1 billion. The best stocks to be buying during a recession. There's no way to predict what a stock's going to do during a recession, but you can buy dividend stocks. So with dividend stocks, you know they'll be paying their dividends. Then you know you'll be getting some sort of income from your stocks. Top 5 most expensive homes sold in the U.S. Number 5 is a $129,600,000 home in Palm Beach, Florida. Number 4 is a $137 million home in Hampton, New York. Number 3 is a $150 million home in Bel Air in California. Number 2 is a $165 million home in Beverly Hills in California. The most expensive home sold in the U.S. was in Manhattan, New York for $239,958,219. The best investing apps for a beginner investor. Robinhood and Webull. Both of these apps offer commission-free trading, which means every time you place a trade, you don't have to pay any commission. How someone traded a red paperclip for a house. Here's what he traded. Red paperclip. Fish-shaped pen. Tiny doorknob with smiley face on it. Coleman camping stove. Power generator. Keg of beer. Snowmobile. All expense paid trip to Yak in British Columbia. A small panel truck. A recording studio contract. 1 year free rent in a 1-bedroom apartment in Phoenix, Arizona. Hang out with Alice Cooper for half a day. A motorized Kiss snow globe. A speaking role in a film called Donna on Demand. And finally, a house in Kipling, Saskatchewan. If someone could trade a paperclip for a house, there's no excuse why you can't achieve your goals too. Highest paying jobs that don't require a college degree. Personal trainer, welder, actor, oil field worker, social media influencer, web developer, longshoreman, freelancer. The top 5 highest paid YouTubers of 2019. Number 5, Jeffree Star, 17 million. Number 4, Rhett and Link, 17.5 million. Anastasia, and I'm not gonna try her last name, 18 million. Dude Perfect, $20 million. Number 1, Ryan Kaji, an 8-year-old, $26 million. The top 5 most valuable NFL teams. The Dallas Cowboys, $5.5 billion. The New England Patriots, $4.1 billion. The New York Giants, $3.9 billion. The Los Angeles Rams, $3.8 billion. The San Francisco 49ers, $3.5 billion. How to get $1,200 from the government in no time. Well, if you make $75,000 a year or less and you're an adult, the government will send you a check for $1,200. It's pretty easy. 10 startups that became worth billions in less than 3 years. Desktop Metal, Grail, Essential, Let Go, Zoox, Katera, Illumio, Instacart, Open Door, Airbnb. Companies that are hiring thousands of people every single week. Amazon. Amazon's looking to hire 100,000 new full-time and part-time employees. CVS. CVS is looking for 50,000 new employees. Kroger's is 20,000 new employees. If you need a job, look for companies that are seeing a lot of growth and a lot of activity right now during the coronavirus. What people think TikTok is like when they download it. Okay, so I'm gonna post this one video and it's gonna go viral immediately. I just know it, it's gonna happen. What TikTok is actually like. Okay, so I posted 10 videos and one of them got 2,000 views. That's pretty good. Maybe I need to post 10 more. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't post anything else. I don't know what I should do. Here are 5 companies that started during a recession. IBM, Burger King, Microsoft, General Electric, and General Motors. Next time you think that it's impossible to start a company during a recession, think again. 2 signs that you're not an entrepreneur. The first is you're not comfortable being uncomfortable. And the second is you like structure. If you like structure, being an entrepreneur is not for you. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. 9 expensive habits that you're wasting your money on. Food delivery. It's not just eating out. When you order food delivery, you get all the extra fees. A normally $9 burrito comes to $18. Number 2 is unused subscriptions. Do you really need Netflix and Hulu and Apple TV and Amazon Prime? No, you don't need all of those. Number 3 is paying for a gym membership. If you don't go to the gym often, why are you paying for it? Number 4 is throwing things away. How many of you guys throw something that's old away when you don't want to use it? You could just sell that thing on eBay or Craigslist and make some extra money. Number 5 is eating out. Why are you eating out when you can get the same meal from the grocery store, cook it, and you'll save so much money? Number 6 is not negotiating. I don't need to explain that one. Number 7 is overspending on vacation. You could go at less popular times for a much better price. Number 8 is impulse buying. Number 9 is never paying off your credit card. It's not just there forever. You're going to have to pay it off at some point. Stocks that typically do better than any other stocks during a recession. Dividend stocks. Now you may be thinking, why dividend stocks? Investors are more likely to hold on to their dividend stocks during a recession because they still get the payments from the dividends. What people think YouTube is like when they start making a channel. So I'm just going to make a video of me doing something stupid. Everyone's going to watch it and I'm going to start making money. It's simple, easy. I don't know why everyone makes it like it's so difficult. What making money on YouTube is actually like. Okay, so I posted every single day for the last 6 months and I finally got my first paycheck. And guess how much it was? It was for $100.